What is that one called? What did you say that was called? Is it?
It might be a version of a Quill Lake. I've seen a lot of Quill Lake Canadian geese that have like big white bars across their chest. I thought I'd seen that fucker a while ago.
Damn.
I've killed a lot of mallard colors. I ain't never killed one like that ever. I may never see another one.
Really?
Fucking duck.
Mountain fucking ducks. Man, I hit that one that's still right there. He looked hurt. Any drop? Oh, there's one down in the water.
We got one down.
Who put that one down?
Yeah.
How you feeling right now, buddy?
Feeling good, Chuck.
We killing some ducks?
Killing some ducks.
Give us the rundown, baby. How's it been this morning?
Oh, it's been real good. Mallards all over us. Wind's hard. Birds out of the north.
Shooting straight.
Shooting straight. Birds out of the north.
I have killed thousands of mallards, and I ain't never killed one like that. I thought I seen it earlier, because it was like, man, these wings look wild.
So, what's so special about this one?
It's just a unique defect in the pigment, because it's supposed to be like this.
That's your standard mallard,
This is
Drake.
just a regular old mallard.
And then this guy here has that white in it.
That's fucking cool. And his bars are even a little thicker.
And you've killed thousands and never seen that.
No.
Oh, boy.
Well, boys, we got our mallard limits. Hands in, Bobby. Yeah. Meh, meh, meh. What we got here is duck breast, butterflied open, stuffed with jalapeno cream cheese, banana peppers, sealed up, wrapped in bacon. The next morning, it's my time to make breakfast. It's 4 a.m. We're pretty much ready to go duck hunting, but breakfast first. So I'm making some amazing breakfast sandwiches. Keep doing it!
This is what we do at 4 a.m.
4 a.m. 4:30 breakfast.
Good job, Chuck.
Take a bite. Take a bite. Shows how amazing it is.
It's actually not all that good.
What? Mmm. 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 Mmm.
Watch your flank.
Turn above us.
Do you want me to tell the video how you shoot these fast flying birds?
Yeah.
Because I know I've shot more than you, so.
How do you shoot the fast flying birds?
You gotta lead them.
You gotta lead them?
You gotta lead the birds. That's how you do it.
Buck, body, beak, bada bing.
Buck, body, beak, bada bing.
Okay. Man, I sure hope no one shoots your truck overnight. How you liking the spot so far, Bobby?
I like it. Oh, man, I really like being in the timber. That's where it's at.
Yeah. Yeah, that's a good spot out here. We got about 37 minutes and the rain just picked up. The wind's been getting crazy. We're hoping this is going to get some ducks up, get them moving, give us a chance to hit our limits. That's not the coolest spot to hunt, right? Was here?
Do what?
The woods?
Yeah.
Is that not one of the coolest spots to hunt? Blind over here. Big area cut open. Did you just hurt yourself?
Yeah.
How? How did you hurt yourself in the chair?
I don't know.
Is it your back?
No, my leg.
Your leg? What'd you do to your leg?
I'm fucking old and fat.
Can you move it?
Oh, he gave like a Charlie horse in my fucking hamstring. Oh.
You need to stretch, man.
Whew, probably need
Cheesecake?
some fucking
Cheesecake?
fruit or.
Some beer?
You still regular?
Oh yeah.
You took a poo?
Yeah.
When'd you poo?
This morning.
Oh, that don't count. That don't count.
Yeah, fellas don't.
So you pulled straight down.
That's why there's some food.
Is it just Jared out there by himself, bro?
I don't know. I doubt it. There's not.
Coagulation.
On the third day, within a few hours, we all four had hit our limit. Unfortunately, when I went to check the footage, a lot of it had been corrupted other than this time-lapse video, which is still a pretty cool video. On the fourth day, I didn't take the camera out and decided it would be fun just to focus on shooting some ducks. Unfortunately, it was a very slow morning. We only shot 3 to 4 ducks, if I remember right. But all in all, this was an amazing trip. I just want to say thank you to Dark Cypress Duck Hunts for having us out for the second year in a row and making it an amazing experience for us. We look forward to seeing them next year. Otherwise, here are some really cool photos to take away from the hunt.